Hey there, IDK Fred here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on a 49-pound, 24-inch rifle target. It is a big, huge Gong. I got it because I think it'll be fun as a target, a reactive target that makes noise, so you can put it out there 500 meters and still hear the sucker when you hit it to know what you're hitting. 24 inches might have been a little bit big. Now that I look at it, I probably could have gotten away with maybe a 10 inch or a 12 inch. I don't know. So we will try out this 49 inch, or this 24 inch, 49 pound. Now, when I received it, they had the label taped on here. They also threw on a couple of heavy stickers. Now, I also received it like this. You can see the box is nice, wide open, and it is just a mess in here. Inside of here, we have all of this right here, which was supposed to protect it from sliding around in the box. That didn't happen. We also had bubble wrap, which may or may not have been on the package at some point. Yeah, that didn't really help. But here's our nice open package. I received it open like this. I'm assuming it ripped itself open on the way here. I'm assuming USPS or UPS or whatever hates me now because of this lovely package and everything else I ordered. So let's pull it out of the box. At least the first box. Minimum 2-person lift. They're liars. Okay. Ah, my foot. Okay, now this is, oh, there's a spider. Ow, that hurt. Ow, there's a spider on my hand. Oh, jeez. See the spider? My hand hurts now. That was solid metal. Not a good idea to smash a spider directly against solid metal. Just for future information. Also, don't drop this on your foot. It will break your toes. Ow. Okay, so minimum 2-person lift. It has the previous shipping label, which they shipped it to the Amazon warehouse in. Amazon warehouse thought it'd be a good idea to throw it in that big box over here. And we just got one big piece of tape holding it because the sides have already broken off in shipping. I mean, you could drive a truck off a cliff with this in it, putting a brick on the gas pedal and just letting it go, and the truck would be more damaged than this ever will be. It doesn't matter how big the cliff is. Okay. Fine, where did I put my knife? I had a knife. Well, probably smashed the knife. Don't know where it went. I just want to break this tape. Ah. Okay. And here is our big metal Gong. And it includes this. It is an RMP brand metal Gong. Rose Metal Products. We appreciate and value your business. Please leave a review of the product, upload pictures of how you are using the product, contact us with any questions. There's some warning on here. This package contains small parts. Where do you see a small part on this package? Is there any small part about this? Do you see anything that's small besides this? There's nothing small about this package. Leaves little divots in it. Although, it is going to shred that.
Oh, yeah. Easily. All the lead flying up off of it.
Huh?
All the lead flying up off of it, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Took off a ball. I saw this ball moving.
That was already stuck in it. These have been shot before.
Well, that's how I'm missing that bad.
Good job.